Hey, stop! Stop! What are you doing?
What?
Are you kidding me, man? I said that wall, not this wall.
Jesus.
When is Daddy coming back?
Tomorrow. Hopefully. Come on, let's get you something to eat. Seriously, man, what's your problem? You're tense as shit. This is supposed to be fun.
So I got a record, man. It's up to this inspector whether I get the license or not,
Dude,
and I don't know.
Plenty of ex-cons have bars.
You can turn me down, man.
So just look him in the eye, tell him you have a record, and slide him some cash. He's a liquor inspector, man. He's not doing it for the glory. All Smurfs buildings, all the palm she's grease worked for her, didn't it?
Yeah, maybe.
Come on.